ओके तो आज है मेरे पास वन प्लस का कंप्लीट पैकेज वन प्लस नोट सी जो पिछले वीक ही लॉन्च हुआ है. दिस इज़ वन प्लस बर्ड जेड वाइट कलर एंड दिस इज़ प्रोटेक्टिव कवर एंड स्क्रीन गार्ड फॉर दिस फ़ोन जो कि मैंने वन प्लस ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट से बुलवाया है. सो बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. चलो लेट्स डू अनबॉक्सिंग. बेसिक्स से स्टार्ट करते हैं. पहले मैं आपको लेट्स सी. सो दिस इज़ द बम्पर केस. एक्चुअली पैकेट साइड में रखते हैं. This is the bumper case of Note CE and this is the black cover case. See, yeah, so I can see the quality is too good. And yeah, OnePlus Node and yeah, our red cable card. This was the bumper case. Now your screen guard, tempered glass. काफ़ी अच्छा पैकिंग होता है OnePlus का. So okay, what is this? Okay, so some of your dust remover and actually the dust remover cloth, I guess. Yeah, and this is for like remove the bubbles after you apply the screen guard. So we can keep this aside. And yeah, actually ये फ़ोन पे फिट हो जाता है and then you can just apply a screen guard without any problem. And yeah, this is our glass guard. See, and again your red cable club card. So this also we can keep aside. Okay, now we got our earbuds. Let me open this. See, the shape of the cover is awesome. I just like the shape of this one. Very lightweight. OnePlus written here, and this also has this magnet here. Very easy to just place and remove and all those things. So yeah, you can see the light here also. What else in the box? Okay, this is the cable actually for charging. Yeah, and again some documentation, I guess, and the card as usual. Yeah, okay, card is this, and yeah, again some documentation, and you have this extra buds, this for again. Okay, this also will keep here, rest just move apart. And now we have our phone, OnePlus Nord CE 5G. So this is the variant 256 GB of ROM and 12 GB of the RAM, and this is the black color. You can see from the box itself. Yeah, this is the phone. Okay, yeah, just let me show you. It's very lightweight actually. When I open this, it's something around 170 to 175 grams and very thin. You see, it's very thin. So yeah, as usual, 3.5 mm jack replaced. One more time we will get this. Charging, your speaker, your volume keys, power keys. It's very slim. Back camera we have 64 megapixel main camera, then 8 megapixel and then 2 megapixel, and then your front camera at 16 GB. Okay, so just let me set up this offline. And yeah, this is done. So actually I already set up this now, and just will start it. So display wise it's quite good. It's 90 Hertz refresh ratio of the screen, and yeah, the phone काफ़ी slim है and I liked it very much. So this was the whole package for you. And if you just wanted to apply this glass guard, so here what you can do, just place this So there is a like thin film already there, so you just need to remove this first, then you can just place this here. This is for this phone only. If you place this, it will just adjust, and then you can just open this and can apply here. Yeah, so just let me open this. Actually, I set up this fingerprints as well. It's so fast. If you just see, I can just click here, and yeah, so fast. And display, you can see like OnePlus is the best in the display and UI, and as usual the Oxygen OS. So yeah, that's all we got, guys, the complete package of OnePlus. And yeah, let me just let me know in the comment section if you want to know anything else, or if you want to let me a video of anything like applying a screen guard or something else. This bumper case I will show you to apply how it looks. I think it would be slightly heavier after this case. It's slightly heavier, but it looks good, so good, like so handy, and it's looking nice as well. Okay, so just keeping the phone aside, what else is in the box? Let me just quickly show you. Okay, so there is one more case, a plastic case from this transparent case from Walmart. It has the texture as well, and here, yeah, again some documentation, and as usual the Dead Cable Club card, and I think there are some stickers as well. It should be, yeah, these are some note stickers. Okay, and the welcome card. And again, like, this is the charger and the cable. Charger is 30 watt charger, and it completely claims like it just charges your battery from 0 to 70% within 37 minutes. So yeah, it's kind of a fast charger, or within 30 minutes. And yeah, this is the case. Let me just show you applying this as well. But yeah, this is nice. Like, I don't want to apply the transparent one after this. This one is so nice. Yeah, so far good. Like, if you don't have this bumper case of so you can apply this just to take care of your phone, but I will go with this only. Okay, so that's all we got. So many packets as well. But yeah, so thank you, and let me know if you want anything else. Thanks, guys.